Hey, you know what's really frustrating? Spending hours, heck, even days, trying to figure out super complicated video editing software. Yeah, I get it. It's a pain. So, if you're looking to create some killer videos for social media, school projects, or maybe even your business, but you just don't want to go through that steep learning curve, then you're gonna want to stick around. Today, I'm diving deep into the nitty-gritty of CapCut, the incredibly user-friendly video editing app that's perfect for folks just starting out. So, let's get real for a moment. Who should actually, consider tuning in for this entire beginner's guide to CapCut? First of all, if you're looking to really step up your social media game, say, on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube, then CapCut is your go-to tool. Seriously, you can make those snazzy videos you've been dreaming about. Second on the list, if you're a student or maybe even a teacher, and you're thinking, hey, I want to make some really standout educational videos, well, CapCut is your best buddy for presentations and tutorials. And you know what? Let's not forget the business owners and marketers out there. CapCut can help you put together some attention-grabbing marketing videos. Think about product demos, social media ads, that sort of thing. Oh, and lastly, just for the fun of it, if you're thinking about trying your hand at video editing, well, why not start here? Alright, let's dig into some of the nitty-gritty details. So, CapCut is totally free. Folks, yes, you heard me right. Free, and you can grab it for both your mobile device and your desktop computer. The interface? Oh, it's as easy as pie. You've got three main sections: your preview panel, your timeline, and then the toolbar. Easy peasy. And here's the kicker. This app is chock full of cool features. We're talking about trimming, cropping. You can even add text, music, and a whole bunch of effects. Plus, the exporting options are, pretty versatile. You've got formats like MP4, MOV, and even GIFs. So, you're probably wondering, okay, how do I get started? Well, here are some pretty darn useful tips. First off, get to know the app. Familiarize yourself with the editing tools. Maybe watch a couple of YouTube tutorials. Yeah, like the one you're watching right now. Second, start off with something simple. Don't go trying to make the next Hollywood blockbuster, okay? Third, go ahead and play around. Seriously, experiment with all the features, the effects. That's how you learn. Fourth, save. Make sure you're saving your work, so if something goes haywire, you can always go back. And fifth, don't be shy. Folks, ask for help if you need it. There are a lot of online communities and forums where you can get advice, share tips, that sort of thing. Now, you might be asking, where else can I find some useful stuff? Well, the CapCut website has an awesome section for beginners. And you know what else is great? The CapCut YouTube channel. I mean, you can find tutorials, tips, you name it. There are also some online communities, like the CapCut subreddit, Discord servers, and hey, don't forget to check them out on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. So, what's the best time to start with CapCut? Honestly, whenever you're ready to dip your toes into the video editing world. It doesn't matter if you've got a school project due tomorrow, or you just want to pick up a new hobby. Learning the basics now gives you a head start. And who doesn't want that? And hey, why should you even bother learning CapCut? First, it's user-friendly, so you won't be pulling your hair out. Second, the features are just awesome for creating pro-quality videos. You can, really let your creativity run wild. Third, did I mention it's free? And last, but certainly not least, it's super popular, so you're never alone. There are always tutorials and community support to help you out. So, to really kick things off, here's what you gotta do. First, download the app from the App Store or Google Play, or just straight from the CapCut website. Second, fire it up. Create a new project. Easy, right? Third, go ahead and import your media files. Could be videos, could be photos, whatever you want. Fourth, drag them into your timeline and start the magic. Start editing. And finally, once you're sitting there thinking, wow, I did it, it looks amazing, go ahead and hit that export button. Choose the format you need and you're good to go. In a nutshell, folks, If you're even a little bit interested in video editing, learning the basics of CapCut is well worth your time. So go on, unleash your creativity and start making your own awesome videos with CapCut today. Trust me, you won't regret it.